Homemaker. The homemaker has the ultimate career. Once I heard Sadhguru saying, homemaking is surely in reality the most important work in the world. Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. Today's video is a common video requested by some of my viewers. So I'll be doing it in English. Some of my friends and family asked me how I handle these festivals and manage to do so much of work effortlessly. So that's how this video is made. Here I am. So let's get started. My day starts at 5:30 in the morning. I don't jumpstart my work. What's the hurry, guys, right? I take some me time. In my next video, I'll share what I do when I wake up. When the other members of my family is still asleep, I will start the cleaning routine. I'm a very nurturing kind of a person. I don't take stress and a sort of a homemaker that I am just interested in keeping my home clean, neat and tidy always. I have taken a big responsibility of being a homemaker. It's my choice and I love doing things for my family. At 6 in the morning, I'm done with sweeping, mopping is being done. I can't enter the bedroom, my husband is still sleeping, he'll get disturbed. In this room, my son is sleeping, so I am doing my work very carefully without putting more lights. Actually, his bedroom has been turned into an entire puja room since Ganpati. That's why he is sleeping here. Let me tell you, the mornings are really peaceful. It's like kind of a more energetic and actually the chillness in the air, the sound of birds chirping, the sun is slowly rising. What else can be so beautiful than an early morning? This is my quick 10 minutes dusting routine. I do it every day. This will take only 10 or 15 minutes max. I do have a monthly and weekly cleaning routine. If we do like this, we don't have to wait for Diwali or Pongal to clean the entire house, stressing ourselves too much. In this pandemic, family's safety is more important. So I ensure to clean all the doorknobs and switches with some disinfectant spray. Since 8 months, our dining space has become our work and study station. I have a habit of planning things ahead. This will help me to do all my home chores effortlessly with ease. My hubby is out of the bed and went for a jog. He is a fitness freak. Don't ask me whether I am. I cannot be so freak like him. How precious a thing is the human family. Is it not worth some sacrifice in time, energy and work? Does anything come forth without work? This is my everyday bathroom cleaning routine. Again, a very quick cleaning routine. It takes just 5 minutes, not more than that. If we follow this practice of spending few minutes daily, we'll keep the bathroom always sparkling clean. As I said, I have a weekly cleaning routine, right? So one of the days I clean the entire bathroom tiles, floor, glass doors, and everything. I prefer listening to some soothing meditative music in the mornings. The vibrations are so positive and so energetic. It's 7:30 to 7:40 in the morning. The house is clean and neat. Cleanliness is godliness. If the house is clean in the morning, it gives very positive vibe. Also, your mind, body and soul, everything is clean and pure. We cannot be so perfect all the time. Sometimes my home too will be messy, but it's okay to be messy because it's our home. We can fix that also, right? So that's fine. I always believe home is not a place, it's a feeling. Kitchen is the heart of the home. This is a rental flat. The kitchen storage is very less, but still I manage to keep it organized and clean. You would have seen in all of my videos these flower torans or hangings are there. These are there since Ganpati. We keep them till Diwali. 8 o'clock after my shower, I'll start preparing the breakfast. On Saturdays, everything is my son's favorite. He loves pongal for breakfast. So I'm going to prepare pongal and coconut chutney for breakfast. The breakfast is getting ready. Meanwhile, I'll start cleaning the puja room. This room's cleaning process is a bit different. I don't clean it with a broom, I do it with a brush. You all would have seen me tying the sari in the beginning. I always tie the sari the previous day to save the time because it takes 45 minutes to 1 hour to tie and put all the jewelry. Sometimes if I'm too tired, then I do it on the next day. You all would know there is a saying Atiti Devo Bhava. Atiti means guest. If a guest has to be treated like a god, and if God has become our guest, then it's a bliss, right? So I offer morning milk to night dinner to my guest. Now I had to do all my decoration work like making rangoli, flower decoration and decor according to the color code. Today is Navratri's day 8. The color code is peacock green. The previous day was green color. That's the reason I did not change the complete decor. Actually, it saved some time. Otherwise, I would change each and every decor piece according to the color code. It's 9 o'clock and the breakfast is ready. I'll be preparing chutney and then I'll serve the breakfast to my husband and my son. I will not be eating now because after doing my puja, maybe after 10 o'clock, I'll eat my breakfast. This is my passion to be clean, organized, and to decorate home. It could be something else for you. If we follow our passion with love and dedication, then the outcome will always be positive. I clean the puja vessels every day. Not only on these days, every day I clean and then I do puja. It's 9:15 to 9:20. My decor work, everything is finished. Now I had to do this puja work. Once this is finished, and I'll be doing aarti. Also, today's prasad for Devi is coconut. I made coconut laddus, which I couldn't actually shoot. Before doing aarti, I'll just light all the candles and diyas from the entryway. We buy all these flowers from a wholesale market in Pune. These garlands too are made by us at home. Day by day, the aura, the energy increases. Look at her, how beautiful she is. It's 10 o'clock. My aarti is over as planned. Since I have uploaded 9 days videos on daily basis, quickly I spent some 15 to 20 minutes to shoot. It's 10:30. I have finished my breakfast and I'm just doing some preparation for my lunch, as well as I have some vessels after breakfast. That also I just cleared it up. As I already said, I don't stress myself too much. I just relax, chit chat with my husband while doing my chores in the kitchen. Simultaneously, I keep checking the diya and agarbattis to ensure they remain lit the whole day. My son got bored of eating South Indian food whole week, so today his favorite lunch, dal makhni, roti, jeera rice, curry pakode, and what else? A sweet dish and then a salad. We don't fast during Navratri, but we prepare food without onion and garlic. It's 1:30. The lunch is ready to serve to Durgama and to the family. Since I plan my day very well, everything is done on time without any hassle. I didn't do the vessels immediately after the lunch. Being a Saturday, I spent some time with my son. Sometimes we both play. Today, we both watched his favorite show, MasterChef Juniors Australia. We deserve some self-care too, right? So every time after washing vessels, put some hand cream to keep them moist and soft. Now it's time for me to write content for that particular day's YouTube post. This 1 hour from 5 to 6 will be dedicated for that. Simultaneously, I check this diyas and agarbatti. This process goes on the whole day. It's 6:30. I took a shower and will start preparing dinner. Actually, we don't drink tea or coffee in the evening. I prepare some homemade snacks. Today, since the lunch was heavy, nobody willing to eat anything. After keeping all the vessels, I'll start preparing dinner. We finish our dinner between 8:30 to 9 p.m. I didn't shoot my dinner video because it is already too big video. I prepared paneer tikka masala, sundal means chana, roti, salad, dal khichdi and sweet coconut poli. Again, paneer is my son's favorite. You give him in any form, he will just gobble it. After dinner, me and my husband go for a small walk always. Had some time planning for the next day, and now it's 10:30. I will finish my vessels and wind up. This nighttime routine I religiously follow because it saves lot of time the next day. Also, your kitchen is clean and fresh when you wake up. My son and my husband has gone to sleep. I will check the Akhand Jyot, spend some time in the puja room before going to sleep. Now you all got to know how I manage my whole day, taking care of my daily chores, puja, shooting, uploading videos. I too get connected with friends and family. I don't compromise on anything though I am busy. I ensure to give my family the best always. Some key points I would like to highlight which would help you in managing your daily routine. Number 1, getting up early. Number 2, spend some me time for yourself. Number 3, always stay positive. And last but not the least, don't try to be perfect always. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, which will encourage me to do more such videos in future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.